Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I did some summer shopping, but then again, when am I not shopping? So I didn't go to a mall or TJ Maxx like I usually do. Instead, I went on this online website instead. And some of you guys may have heard of it before. It's on Instagram, and a ton of YouTubers have ordered clothes and stuff like that from there before. And it's a website called thredUP. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of it, but it's basically an online thrift store slash consignment shop. And it is the world's largest online thrift shop. And it's called thredUP, and it's amazing. And they have like high-end designs, and they also have like basic clothing like Target. So I went on there and I was looking for some cute stuff, so I figured why not pick some things out and get them for summer, right? So the first thing that I have when I pull it out of the box is this orangey, lemony yellow kind of top. I don't know if it looks the same on camera, but it's kind of like this lace shirt with like these lace flower designs, and then at the bottom it has these really, really cute pom-poms. And yeah, so I got this. So then the next thing that I got is this maroon color dress. So this dress is by Charlotte Russe, and it has these cute little delicate straps I just think are like a really elegant feature. And then if you hold it up like this, it's just like kind of like a t-shirt dress, but it's not a fitted dress. And I just think it's flowy, and it has like this, I don't know, I just really can't just like describe the fabric. And I just think it's a really pretty, like, elegant dress that you can kind of wear to like a summer party. So the next thing that I got in the box are these lace shorts, and this is by the brand Billabong. What I really liked about these was that number one, they're like stretchy in the back, so you don't have any buttons, you don't have any zippers, so if it's really hot, you don't have like that tightness feel, I guess. They're just really like comfortable, kind of like that boho style. I've actually worn these already once. I got another dress, and it's basically just a little black dress. So it has like these little spaghetti straps, and then when you hold it up, it has this cute little cutout right here, like I guess where your ribs are. And then it kind of flares out like a skater dress. And then in the back, it also has like this cutout, like right here. And I think that's really cute. And when I saw it online, I just knew that I had to get it. This dress is by Oh My Love London, and the material is honestly really soft. This is one of the first things that I got. This is a maxi skirt, and this is by Charlotte Russe. And guys, if you could feel the fabric in person, it is like if you guys ever shop at American Eagle, they have like the Oh My So Sexy Soft tees. And this is what that skirt feels like. And it has like this little slit that goes up the leg. And it's literally just like the softest material like ever. Oh my gosh. So this last top that I got is probably my favorite item out of all of them. It is this top, and I don't know if the color looks the same as it does on camera, but it's basically like this corally pink color, and it has like tribal patterns and flowers, and the sleeves are bell sleeves, cute buttons down the top, and then at the waist it ties with like these ties, and it's honestly just the cutest shirt I've ever owned, ever worn. It's so comfortable, and I just loved it. And this is by American Ragsy. Pretty sure I said that correct. So that is all that I got from thredUP. It's a huge thanks to thredUP for partnering with me on this video. I really appreciate it, and everything is amazing. So for all my subscribers out there and any viewers, I would like to offer you guys a promo code with thredUP. So the promo code is LaineyG25, and what it does is it gives you 25% off of your order and up to a $50 discount. And it expires June 31st, so if you guys want to go check out thredUP and maybe order some amazing clothing from there, definitely be sure to use that coupon code because it'll really help you out. And on top of it, their clothes are already discounted, so you'll be getting so many things for a great bargain. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are interested in any of the items that I purchased, I will have links down in the description box below to direct you to very similar items, so you can go check those out if you like. Also, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and maybe click the little bell button that's also down there to get notifications every time I post a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.